Okay, so recently shared by the ENCA South Africa, saying a South African businessman, Johan Rupert, reiterates that crime is a widespread issue in South Africa and does not only affect one group as it's alleged. Okay, so well, we all noticed that recently Cyril Ramaphosa went to meet Trump at the White House, and this happened. Well, see this.
Sorry, Mr. President, if you had to wind all of those tapes properly, you will see I'm the biggest target of that rabble-rouser. Number one for over 10 years, Mr. Malema. In fact, the first time I met him, he was in the youth league with that gentleman. And look how he's changed.
Right.
We have too many deaths, but it's across the board. It's not only white farmers, it's across the board. And we need technological help. We need Starlink at every little police station. We need drones. I actually got drones donated for the peace